Hello students, today we will see exercise 4.4 word problems. Number 1. A company made 2,14,129 scooters and 1,32,147 trucks in 1 year. How many number of vehicles were made altogether in that year? So that we have to find out. So first we will start with the statement. A company made. How many scooters they have made? 2,14,129. And how many trucks they have made? 1,32,147. Now we have to find out how many vehicles they have made all together. So what we will do? We will add these two. So 2,14,129 plus 1,32,147. So 9 plus 7 we will get 16. So 6 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 1 plus 1 2, 4 plus 2 6, 1 plus 3 4, 2 plus 1 3. So we got answer 3,46,276. So here we will write the statement total 3,46,276 vehicles were made altogether in 1 year. Now number 2, the number of students that appeared in class 12th exam was 1,77,358 in the year 2007, 2,48,037 in year 2008 and 3,18,909 in year 2009. How many students appeared for examination from year 2007 to 2009? Okay, so in 2007, how many children were appeared for the exam? 1,77,358. In 2008, 2,48,037. In 2009, 3,18,909 students were appeared for class 12 exam. So now we have to find out the total number of students from 2007 to 2009. How many children were appeared for the exam? So we will start with the statement. The number of students that appeared in class 12 exam in 2007, how many number of children were appeared? That is 1,77,358. Then in 2008, how many children were appeared? 2,48,037. Then in 2009, 3,18,909. Now we have to add these three. So first we will write 1,77,358. Then second 2008, how many students? 2,48,037. Then in 2009, 3,18,909. So we will add 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 9, 24. So 4 we will write down, 2 will be carried over, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 0, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 0, 4, 4 plus 9, 13. So 3 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24. So 4 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. Now 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So how many students appeared for class 12 from year 2007 to 2009? 7,44,304. So here down we will write the statement, total 7,44,304 students appeared for examination from year 2007 to 2009. Now number 3. Raj deposited rupees 1,35,750 in a bank. Avni deposited rupees 45,950, more than the amount deposited by Raj. Find the total sum of money deposited by them. So here Raj deposited how much amount? That is rupees 1,35,750. And Avni deposited, they not given the exact amount how much she has deposited. What they are told in the question, that 45,950 more than the amount deposited by Raj. So first we have to find out how much amount Avni deposited in the bank. Then we will find out the total amount deposited by both Raj and Avni. So first we will start from statement. So Raj deposited rupees 1,35,750 and Avni deposited rupees 45,950 more than Raj. So here we will find out first how much amount Avni deposited in bank. Okay, first we will find out this. So for that we will add these two both. So 1,35,750 plus 45,950. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. So 7 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So 1 we will write down, other 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Then this 1 will be come down. So how much amount Avni deposited? That is 1,81,700. So here we will write Avni deposited rupees 1,81,700 in bank. Now we have to find out the total sum of money deposited by Raj and Avni. So we will add these two both. So 1,35,000, 1,35,750 and 1,81,700. So 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 7, 14. So 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 3 plus 8, 11. So 1 we will write down, other 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So how much they have deposited? 3,17,450. So here we will write total rupees 3,17,450 amount deposited in bank by Raj and Avni. Now number 4, in a city, 3 charity organizations collected rupees 15,75,345, rupees 12,85,179 and rupees 12,15,950 respectively. What was total amount of money collected by them? So now we have to find out the total amount of money collected by the charity organization. So what we will do? We will do addition of these three amount. So first we will start with the statement. In a city, money collected by three charity organization equal to, so first organization collected, first organization equal to rupees 15,75,345. Then second organization equal to rupees 12,85,179. Then third organization equal to rupees 12,15,950. So now we have to add these three. So 15,75,345 plus 12,85,179 plus 12,15,950. So 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 0, 14. So 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. So 7 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. So 4 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. So 6 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So 7 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 0 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So how much amount they have collected total? So that is 40,76,474. So total amount money collected by organization equal to 40,76,474. Now number 5. 4 rolls of wire measures 29,750 meters, 15,973 meters, 8,755 meters and 24,800 meters respectively. Find the total length of the wire in the 4 rolls. So we have to find out the total length of the wire in 4 rolls. So 4 rolls measured. So we will start with the statement. 4 rolls of wire measures equal to first roll, how much it measures? 29,750 meters. Then second roll, that is 15,973 meters. Then third roll equal to 8,755 meters. 8755 meters. Then fourth roll equal to 24,800. Now we have to find out the total length of the wire in the 4 rolls. So what we will do, we will add these 4. So first 29,750, then 15,973, then 8,755, then 24,800. So now we will add here in third number. In 10,000's place we will write here 0. So 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 0, 17. So 7 we will write down, 1 will be carried over. Now 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9, 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. 24 plus 8, 32. So 2 we will write down, 3 will be carried over. Now 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. 25 plus 4, 29. So 9 we will write down, 2 will be carried over. Now 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So total length of wire in the 4 rolls is 79,278 meters.